Money is numbers. A number is infinite. That means numbers never end. So if your happiness depends on money, your search for happiness will never end in life. This is a quote from Bob Marley. What does this quote mean? The quote simply means that if you have already tied your entire happiness to the amount of money that you have, it will be addictive that each and every addition of money that comes to your money is when you become happy. And you will get addicted that you need to get more money so that you are happy. So, you will keep on looking for money without setting a target in life. You will die when you're still looking for your final happiness. That's very definite. Thanks to Bob Marley. Thank you.
Tell me what's been happening, what's been on your mind. Lately you've been searching for a darker place to hide. That's alright. But if you carry on